Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix important display message unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple display. So guys, if you are using iOS 27 and you are getting this pop-up again and again, here I will show you how can you fix it or whether you can fix it or not. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27, and meanwhile your iPhone screen has been broken and you have changed it or you have replaced it, then this message appeared when you replace the screen by a non-original part. So guys, if you have used a non-original display or screen for your device, then this message will remain on the screen until you replace the screen by a genuine part. So guys, basically the unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple display notification is a hardware serialization mismatch. It appears when a screen has been replaced by an unauthorized technician or with a non-original part. There is no pure software fix. It requires either an official Apple repair or a micro soldering hardware bypass. So guys, you have to simply change the screen of your device with a genuine part from the Apple workshop, and after this message will be gone and it will not appear anymore. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue if it is popping up on your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.